Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the beautiful 16 Mile Creek Inner Loop, also known as the Moccasin Trail, in the charming town of Oakville, Ontario. As you embark on this scenic autumn bike ride, you'll be surrounded by the vibrant colors of fall, with leaves turning shades of red, orange, and yellow, creating a picturesque landscape that's perfect for a leisurely ride. The Moccasin Trail is a part of the extensive trail system that winds through the heart of Oakville, offering a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The trail follows the path of 16 Mile Creek, a significant waterway that has played a vital role in the region's history. As you pedal along the trail, you'll notice the lush greenery and diverse wildlife that call this area home. The trail is a haven for nature lovers, with plenty of opportunities to spot birds, small mammals, and various plant species. The gentle flow of the creek and the rustling of leaves create a soothing soundtrack for your ride. Whether you're a local or a visitor, this autumn bike ride along the 16 Mile Creek Inner Loop is a wonderful way to experience the natural beauty and historical charm of Oakville.
Thanks for watching!